Representative Bruce Braley of Iowa tweeted this today. It's official. Ohio State is the luckiest team in the tournament. Hashtag Trail of Tears. He later apologized, tweeting, "The tears I was referring to were the tears of Cyclone fans. I have removed the tweet and apologized to anyone who was offended." These politicians, they get into trouble by tweeting too much, don't they?
I think that, and they need to at least look things up or something. I mean, if you don't know what the Trail of Tears was and you're using it sort of colloquially in some sense, you might want to just kind of Google for a minute and find out what it is and then think, oh, that doesn't fit there. I mean, it's just, they're just tweeting before they think. It's a bad idea.
And remember Todd Akin and Richard Murdoch during the last election when they said some insensitive comments about women and rape. When we're moving to a country that's going to be majority minority, when you're going to have more people of color and more women voting than, frankly, white men, maybe you also need to have more people of color and more women running for office, or more people running for office
or how about
who are
your staff
sensitive
to go, don't write it.
Or just who are sensitive to those issues, saying, let me check that before you hit send, dude.
Yeah.